hopefully hindi siya maging super typhoon. And ang supposed to be pala, pag napasok siya sa area of responsibility, ang domestic term niya is uwan. So sa atin, awan. Para hindi na siya dumating. Awan. Yun. So, but we will once again call for a meeting with the resiliency para to be prepared lang all, as we always do. At palagi nga sinasabi ng ating presidente na when things like this happen, we are always prepared na kasi nakagawian na rin natin kung how to do it. So medyo clockwork na ang paggawa natin. So everybody's assigned, everybody knows what to do. Meron ng pre-positioning ng mga goods para lahat ng and ready. Tapos if kailangan ng preemptive evacuation, nag-evacuate na rin po sila. Katulad lang po nung Nando, nung dumating, nakita ko po na marami po nagkaroon ng preemptive evacuation. So, I was happy naman na ganun kasi that way, it also lessens the responsibility of our mga search and rescue and our, para hindi na sila to put themselves in danger when they have to save people. No? Sila na mismo ang naglilikas. They themselves do the evacuation.